All right, guys, you're looking at an oddity here. It's something apparently quite rare. I saw this on eBay. This is actually a ball lock for a trailer. It's made by a company called Kee-Blok. There apparently weren't very many of these things made. I got into a bit of a bidding war with a bunch of collectors over this, and I think I ended up paying, counting shipping things, right around $50. And as it turned out, it's like cast aluminum, not a lot to it. There's a single little roll pin shoved in there. I mean, it would work. And then the lock, it appears to be a double-sided wafer lock. I do have a key for this, and the guy that shipped it to me wrapped it in bubble wrapped and shoved it inside of here. So rather than try to fight it out of there, let's just leave it. Let's see if we can't pick it. If we can't pick it, then we'll tear all that stuff out of there. All right, double-sided wafer lock, just like you'd find, I think it's on the Master 500 old railroad lock. I'm going to have to use probably the top of the keyway. Not thick enough, so I don't want it flopping around too much. Let's find the thick one here. That'll work. All right, so I'll hold him like so, and let's over zoom here real quick. And I will take this guy, because there seems to be plenty of room now that I've... All right, I'm going to turn it like so, kind of keep him in the center of the frame, and see what we got here. And I got nothing, no binders. Let's flip him around. And I got no binders. What in the world? Don't tell me it doesn't work. Nothing. Tell you what, let's try it that way. This is awkward. Let's try it counterclockwise. See if we can get something to bind up. Nothing. Man, $50 and it doesn't even work. Oh, here we go. That was a binder. Got a click, another click. Another click, major click, and a felt slight turn. So it opens in the counterclockwise. Let's go back to this side. I'm putting pretty heavy tension on it. Look at that dent in my finger. Because I know we're close because it partially turned, and I'm just looking for a binder, and I'm going to force it. Come on, there's got to be one here somewhere, and there it is. There we go. That, oh, it's used. Look at that. That is it. And there's your key. Oh, keys, plural. Let me unzoom so the auto zoom works, or autofocus will work. Chicago locked, huh. Look at that. Pretty good bidding on that guy, too. If I'd seen the bidding, I probably would have been a little more worried. The way it works, obviously, you got this little actuator here, little wing that fits inside of this slot, and then obviously turns. Let's see if we can get him to lock up now. $50 and that's all there is to it? All right. Well, now I got to find a bigger sucker than I am to buy it from me. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal. That was no big deal at all. Kee-Blok, nothing. Thanks, guys.